Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture number 19. In this lecture, we learn about the MO energy level diagram of NO molecule. In the MO energy level diagram for NO molecule, we see this molecular orbital energy level diagram in 6 different stages. So NO is nitric oxide and it is heteronuclear diatomic molecule. NO is formed by combination of nitrogen and oxygen atom. Here oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. The electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3, and electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. The inner orbital 1s electron of nitrogen and oxygen does not take part in the bonding. The molecular orbital energy level diagram for NO molecule is shown on the next slide. Here in NO molecule, oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. So its energy level is lower than the nitrogen. So we see the MO energy level diagram pictorial presentation of NO molecule. We see in the NO molecule, we draw at the left side nitrogen atomic orbital and at the right side oxygen atomic orbital. So in the nitrogen atomic orbital, 2s is shown at certain energy levels and 2s of oxygen is lower energy than the nitrogen. So if we see the nitrogen energy and oxygen energy levels of 2s, then oxygen has more electronegative and so its energy is lower than the corresponding nitrogen atomic orbital. Then 2p atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2p atomic orbital of oxygen have also not same energy. 2p atomic orbital of oxygen is lower energy than the corresponding nitrogen atomic orbital. So in this way we draw the 2s atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2s atomic orbital of oxygen. 2p atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2p atomic orbital of oxygen. Now we see how that molecular orbitals are formed by combination of atomic orbital of nitrogen and oxygen. So nitrogen 2s atomic orbital and oxygen 2s atomic orbital, when its wave function is same, then at that time sigma 2s molecular orbital is formed and its energy is lower than the corresponding atomic orbital energy. Then we see the 2s atomic orbital and 2s atomic orbital of oxygen. When its wave functions are different, then antibonding molecular orbital is formed, that is sigma star 2s. Now, in case of the 2p atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2p atomic orbital of oxygen. So, in the nitrogen there are 3 2p atomic orbital, in oxygen there are 3 2p atomic orbitals. So by combination of that, there is formation of 6 molecular orbitals. In this atomic orbital combination, 2px of nitrogen and 2px of the oxygen, when wave functions are same, then sigma 2px molecular orbital is formed and its energy is lower than the pi. Then pi 2p atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2p atomic orbital of oxygen, that is py. When its wave functions are same, then pi 2py molecular orbital is formed. Then third atomic orbital pz orbital, that is 2pz orbital of nitrogen and 2pz orbital of oxygen. When its wave functions are same, then pi 2pz molecular orbitals are formed. Now antibonding molecular orbitals, that is formed by similar ways like bonding molecular orbitals, but in this case wave functions of atomic orbital are different. So 2px atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2px atomic orbital of oxygen, when its wave function is different, then sigma star 2px, this antibonding molecular orbital is formed and its energy is highest than all the molecular orbitals. Then py atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2py atomic orbital of oxygen. When its wave functions are different, then pi star 2py molecular orbitals are formed. Then 2pz atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2pz atomic orbital of oxygen. When wave functions are different, then pi star 2pz molecular orbital is formed. In this way, here in nitrogen 8 atomic orbital and oxygen 8 atomic orbital, total 4 and 4, 8 atomic orbitals combines and forms 8 molecular orbitals. Now we see how that electrons filled in the molecular orbitals. So we see here in 2s atomic orbital 2 electrons present. In 2p atomic orbital of nitrogen 3 electrons present, that is 5 electron of nitrogen. And in case of the oxygen, here 2 electron in 2s and 4 electron in 2p. So 6 electron and 5 electron, that is 11 electrons filled in the molecular orbitals. So it is filled according to the rules of above principle, Pauli's diffusion principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. So firstly 2 electrons filled in the sigma 2s, next 2 electron filled in the sigma star 2s, then sigma 2px fills by 2 electron, then pi 2py fills 2 electron, pi 2pz fills 2 electron, and 1 electron is filled in the anti-bonding pi star 2py or pi star 2pz. So this is the electron filling in the molecular orbital diagram of NO molecule. Now from this more energy level diagram of NO molecule, we show the electronic configuration of NO molecule. So in NO molecule, here the 1s atomic orbital of nitrogen and oxygen are already non-bonding, and so for that we write the K and K 2 times. Here the other molecular orbitals filled sigma 2s 2, sigma star 2s 2, sigma 2px 2, pi 2py 2, pi 2pz 2, pi star 2py 1. So this is the electronic configuration of NO molecule. This NO molecule is polar and its polarity is comparatively low. Now we see the fourth point, energy evolved during the formation of NO molecule, and this energy evolved during the formation of NO molecule is calculated by formula energy evolved E is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. So in bonding molecular orbitals 8 electrons present, so 8 into minus beta. In antibonding 3 electrons present, so 3 into plus beta. So by solving this we get minus 5 beta. So this minus 5 beta energy evolved is also called as stabilization energy of NO molecule. And we say that this NO molecule is stable because its energy evolved is minus 5 beta. Now, fifth point, bond order. So, number of bonds between the two atoms, that is called bond order. So, the bond order of the NO molecule is calculated by the formula bond order is equal to 1 half into number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So in the NO molecule, bonding molecular orbital contains 8 electron, anti-bonding molecular orbital contains 3 electron. So 8 minus 3, that is 5, divided by 2. So we get the value 2.5. So 2.5 bonds present in the NO molecule. So in that 2.5 bond, here one bond is sigma bond, one bond is pi bond, and the half bond is also the pi bond. Means there are two pi bonds. Out of that, one is full pi bond and one is half pi bond. So strength of that half pi bond is half than the ordinary pi bond. And so total bond energy of this NO molecule is 2.5. The bond length of NO molecule is 1.15 degree angstrom and bond energy is 162 kilocalories per mole. Now we see the last point, that is the magnetic property of NO molecule. So in the diagram just we have seen that MO energy level diagram contains one unpaired electron in the antibonding pi star molecular orbital, and so it shows paramagnetic property. Now we see the nitrosyl ion, NO plus ion. So when NO molecule is converted into NO plus ion, then what is the strength of that NO plus ion? So in the process of ionization, NO loses one electron and forms NO plus ion. So when one electron is lost, then number of electron present in the NO plus ion is decreased by 1. So one electron is removed from the antibonding pi star 2py orbital. And from that we can draw the diagram as similar way that is shown in the NO molecule. Only one electron from antibonding pi star 2py is removed and other diagram is shown same. So from this we can write the MO electronic configuration of NO plus ion, and in that the K and K molecular orbitals remains as it is. Then sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2 and pi 2pz2. So this is the MO electronic configuration of NO plus ion. The bond order of NO plus ion, when we calculate by using the formula, that is bond order is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. So here in bonding molecular orbital 8 electrons present, in anti-bonding 2 electrons present. So 8 minus 2 divided by 2. So we get the value 3. So this 3 value means there is 3 bonds present. In that one is sigma bond, one and two others are the pi bonds. Means in NO molecule one full pi bond and one half pi bond is present. But in NO plus molecule two net pi bonds present. And because of this NO plus ion has more stronger than NO plus molecule. So this NO plus forms a more stable complex like NO molecule. And so this NO plus ion is more stable, or it is highly stable than NO plus ion. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.